In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit in Lucidchart. Whether you're a seasoned professional or completely new to the tool, this guide is designed to be comprehensive and user-friendly, helping you navigate through the essential steps to get started with editing in Lucidchart. So, let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Lucid's official website by simply typing in lucid.co. Once there, you'll find the Login button prominently displayed on the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be presented with several options to log in or sign up, including using your Google account for added convenience. After clicking Sign Up with Google, you'll be redirected to the Google sign-in page. Here, select the Google account you'd like to use with Lucidchart. If this is your first time, ensure this account is the one you regularly access for work or collaboration purposes, as it will be linked to your Lucidchart activity. Once logged in, you'll be looking at the home page that features a host of options. To begin editing, you can choose from pre-made templates that span a range of categories. These templates provide a fantastic starting point and save time by offering basic structures ready for customization. If you prefer starting afresh, click on New, which is often located at the top or side of the screen. This opens a blank canvas where your creativity can translate into anything from basic sketches to complex diagrams. On the main workspace, you'll notice various options in the middle panel. Among these is the flowchart option, which will be the focus of this example as it's a fundamental tool for creating visual representations of processes. Clicking on this brings you to a pre-designed layout that you can tweak as necessary. Adjacent to this is the Templates tab, which houses a plethora of pre-made charts that you can easily customize to meet your needs. Simply select a chart that closely aligns with your project goals and start editing. You'll also find a Shapes tab where various shapes await inclusion into your project. Shapes are pivotal for structuring different parts of your chart, and you can drag and drop them onto your workspace as needed. If your project requires any textual elements or data placeholders, select the Containers option. Containers are incredibly versatile, allowing for the integration of text descriptions or concise data summaries directly onto your visual elements. Next up is the Theme tab. Here you can choose from an array of colors and design themes to ensure that your chart is not only informative but also visually appealing. Consistent theming can dramatically enhance the readability and professional appearance of your work. For advanced projects, consider using conditional formatting, which allows certain chart elements to change color or style based on data conditions, perfect for dynamic presentations. Lastly, explore the Image tab to upload and integrate multimedia elements like images or diagrams. You can also link data from Google Sheets or Excel files directly into your chart through the Data Linking tab, making real-time updates seamless and efficient. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well equipped to start editing in Lucidchart. Whether you're creating from scratch or customizing a template, the powerful tools in Lucidchart